All right, so here is a sink and vanity set that I've made. This is a piece of walnut that I got when I was wet for the vanity, and the sink itself is made from a hollowed out log. I couldn't tell you what kind of wood it was. I think it was maybe oak or something like that. It was definitely a hardwood. Um, I'm not an expert on woods like that, so I couldn't really tell. But what I did was I found it. It was actually much larger than that, and I cut it into three pieces. And this was one of the pieces. I coated it in. I don't remember how many layers of epoxy here, but the whole thing is coated, and the bottom layer is actually just about a half-inch thick of epoxy. It's completely watertight. Works very well as a sink. It's pretty cool.